Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to make swing door on corner unit. Alright, let's get started. So we will be creating a swing door on our top corner unit. Okay, so how do we do that? Alright, so first thing, click onto your B, go into board selection mode. Alright, hold on to your control button, select the top panel, bottom panel, left panel, and here comes the tricky part. All right, you do not select this panel. Okay, we are going to select the back panel. Okay, so we have 4 selected. Right click, generate swing door, generate. All right, and as you can see, a big piece of swing door will be generated. All right, so now we click onto the swing door and we can always resize. Okay, so let me just resize this to 400. All right, so right now I need to push it in. Okay, so we are going to move the y-axis. Okay, so let's put -400. Okay, so as you can see, right now the door is inside. Okay, it's inside the cabinet, so I need to push it out a little bit. Okay, so which is 382. Okay, so of course you need to know the dimensions and the size yourself according to your own cabinet. Right, so right now over here I have a swing door. Okay, so onto the next door, same thing, click onto B, select top, bottom. All right, the tricky part, select the back panel or for your left and your right panel. Okay, right click, generate swing door, generate. Same thing, a big piece of swing door will be generated. So all you need to do is change the size and move it. Okay, so let's say I'll move it out 500. Let's see. Okay, great. And then right now maybe a little bit more, 518. Okay, as you can see, there's an intersection over here, so 518 would be perfect. So now I'll be moving it back inwards, so -400. Right, if my swing door is a little bit too long, okay, so I can always change the size. Right, so right now I have already successfully generated my swing door, and when I click on O to open, as you can see, the two doors are intersecting one another. Right, so we can always turn the door into a fake door by just choosing a fake door. Okay, so I actually turn this into a fake door, so when I press on O, it will remain. Okay, it will not open. Right, so this is how to make a swing door on your corner unit. Good luck trying, guys.